guys, my name is Amanda Haines and I'm a realtor with Preferred Real Estate Brokers on the Mellow Group. I am going to show you this 4-bed, 2-bath home. It has a 2-car garage and it's a little over 1,600 square feet. We're here in Davenport, so follow me inside. This community offers you easy access to I-4 and US 27. If you want to plan a day at Disney, it's just a short 20-minute drive. And the base price is $334,990. Your HOA is $81 a month, and this floor plan offers you 4 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a 2-car garage, and 1,687 square feet of living space. You have an open floor plan, great for entertaining. From your foyer, you come into your kitchen, your pantry space, and down the hall here you have your laundry room just across from your 3 bedrooms. This is a split floor plan, so your primary suite is on the other side of the home towards the back. You have your first bedroom. Now you do have an option of building, or if you're looking for a quick move-in, there is one available at this time, priced at $351,50, and that price does include your lot premium and upgrades. You have a shared full-size bathroom. The appliances are energy efficient. You have LED lighting and spray foam insulation. The decorators have made the second bedroom more like an office space, which is a great idea. Most of us are working from home these days. And then you come into your third bedroom. You have 3 different elevations to choose from. I always like the ones with the stone, but everyone is different. Some people prefer more of the modern look. This garage is currently being used as office space, so we'll make our way back out to the kitchen. The quick move-in that I had mentioned earlier will be completed sometime this month or in October. It does also have the white cabinetry and then quartz countertops. You have your stainless steel appliances, the dining area, you can see the spray foam insulation up in the attic, and you then have your great room. The inventory home in this floor plan does have the gray tile flooring. Your backyard patio. And last but not least, your primary bedroom. It's tucked away at the back of the home, giving you some space and privacy. You have a large walk-in closet, your double vanity and shower. I hope you've enjoyed my video tour, and if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. My name is Amanda Haines. If you haven't yet, please subscribe to my YouTube channel and click the like button to see more videos. Thanks for watching, and I hope to talk to you soon. Bye-bye.